Happy 4th. I started late because I took a 4-hour swim with a couple of my neighbor's kids, and I had a good time. Got a little tan too. So I am making a slab of ribs, and we have a lot of cooks in the family, but you know, there are sometimes family members that don't quite invite the other family member over, even when you've invited them over for years and things happen, and so you gotta just kind of let it go and just do the best you can and live for yourself and live for what before you and just enjoy. I mean, life, that's just the way it is. So I got a good deal on this wonderful guy at the grocery store. They ran out of ribs, so they gave me baby back for $1.47. Baby back ribs for $1.47 a pound. Yay! So I made a dry rub, and I think I have a video of the dry rub that you could use. And basically, it doesn't have any sweetener in there. Salt, pepper, Cajun seasoning, 21 seasonings, smoked paprika. And you know what? I left the garlic and onion out of there, which I think that's essential. So I'm going to go ahead and add some garlic and onion to it. So here's some garlic, and here's some onion. Okay. So, and that's onion powder and garlic, and I'm just going to go ahead and rub that in there. Yeah, I think this dry rub is going to be wonderful. And then you just kind of flip it over. I have it on both sides. Okay. And you flip it over and you put it on a rack. Like that. You could do this throughout the year. And you just stick it in the oven. I'm going to wash my hands real quick. And then you just kind of stick it in the oven like this. And I have it on the high. And I have it at 375 degrees. I'm going to set the timer for about a good, I would say, 55 minutes. So I have it on low because I want to make sure that it's going to cook internally. So in the meantime, I'm going to make some not mashed potatoes, but I'm going to make some potato salad, and I'm going to make, I think I have a video on how to make some corn salad, and I'm going to make that. I love doing the corn salad, and then potato salad, and make a watermelon kind of dessert, and I might make a blueberry pie. So anyways, I hope you're having a wonderful 4th of July. I want to say hi to all my grandbabies. So here it goes. Isaiah, Tita, Phoenix, Solaris, also Hannah, Aaron, beautiful Aaron. I think all my kids are beautiful. Who else? Dominic, Eliana, and my son Nehemiah and his wife Jennifer, and gosh, Maya, Adelaide, and the bunny in the oven, or the bun in the oven, and not the bunny, the bun. Oh, bunnies are good too. Anyways, the bun in the oven, and last but not least, my little zippity doodah, Zipporah, and her beautiful child, Karina. Bye, Karina. I miss you guys, and I wish you were all here. And yeah, I wish you were all here. And unfortunately, you're not. So, but from my heart to yours, I wish you a wonderful 4th of July, and I hope you have a really nice, really good, you will have a nice 4th of July, and hopefully that you guys did some grilling in your new homes, and I love you very much, and I miss you very much. Love you. Bye.